Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account on Plus500. So we are right now on the website plus500.com and we want to create an account. So we have now two options, and that is start trading or try free demo. So in today's video I want to create a demo account, so I click right here on try free demo, and I already have an account, and that is why I'm seeing this. But when you don't have an account, you will see exactly this. And what you need to do right now is quite simple. Fill in here your email address, write here your password, and then click on create demo account. Then after that, you need to verify in your email that you're using that email address, and then after that, you can use it. So for example, if I go back and click now here on login, you see that I can use it right here in Plus500, and I did exactly the same steps that I told you to do. So hopefully after watching this video, you know exactly how you can create an account. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.